Hello, I am Rizki Pranata. In the video this time I will explain how to use Phillips screwdriver to refire or order. First, choose a screwdriver that matches the screw. Second, hold the hold the screwdriver with one hand and watch the tip against the slip with other. Hold the Phillips screwdriver so that it is perpendicular to the screw. Turn the screwdriver to the left to remove the screw. And turn into the right to install the screw. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time and next video. Hope it's useful. Bye.